Hello friends, hope you all are doing very well. All of you are safe, healthy and happy. In this video, I would again like to highlight the practice of conscious breathing. Conscious breathing is one of the simplest way of de-stressing and bringing a high volume of fresh oxygen into your system and improving your immune system. So please follow some breathing practices on a daily basis, and I would like to show you some of the practices, or maybe two right now in this video, and more I can share later on. So one of the breathing practices which you can do is a regular rhythm breathing. Just a conscious inhale and a conscious exhale. A 15 count of these will definitely bring you to a much calmer state right in the morning. The second one is to bring about the flow of oxygen, fresh oxygen from around your area into your system and release the one which has already been utilized. That means the stale oxygen. This breathing practice is a slight thrustful, little bit of with the force, and the best part about this is that you can do it in any part of the day. Just ensure that your food intake for the second breathing practice which I'm going to show you, the food intake is an hour or two before. It can be done in the morning, it can be done in the afternoon, it can be done in the evening, even before sleeping. It's very, very helpful. So here goes. You inhale a very powerful from your stomach, nose and mouth together, and you exhale with a thrust, and 20 counts of these. So once you get into the habit, this will definitely get the oxygen regenerated in your body, and it will really help you to have a effortless day ahead with no stress at all. If you're doing it for the first time, you might feel a little giddiness or something, like like a shift or something in your mind or your brain area, which is normal. So don't get scared. It happens. It might just block you for a few seconds or hardly a second or two, and that also not sure. It might happen, it may happen. So try these practices, and the following video I'm going to do this practice, so to show you how you can do the counts and the breathing together.